Let's see how to crop and fit a picture into a circle in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, first, let's go ahead and insert our picture. Now, let's say that you only want to keep this part of the flower right here. So what you can do to crop this into a circle is click on it. And right here, you'll see the option to crop the image. Now click on the drop-down list and click on crop to shape and click on circle. Now again, to make sure that becomes a circle, click on aspect ratio this time. Now click on 1:1 to ensure that your crop is a square or equal in all sides. And here, you can also adjust to make sure that a specific part of your image will fit in the circle. And that is how you can crop an image into a circle in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.